In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to upscale your video to 4K in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we have our 1080p footage and we have our 4K frame size right here. So we would want to upscale it into this size. Now, in here, what I recommend is that you just simply manually scale your footage until it fills up the 4K frame size. Or what you could do is that you could also go for right-clicking on your footage and click on set to frame size. I don't recommend that you go for scale to frame size, as this actually resamples the media to match the timeline's resolution. And Premiere will treat the clip as if it's already in the new size, even if it was actually a higher resolution source. So you would actually get a lower quality if you go for scale to frame size. You want to use set to frame size if you care about the image quality and you want the freedom to zoom in or animate later. However, if you'd want to use scale to frame size, then this should only be the situation if you would need faster previews on low-end hardware and you don't plan to touch scaling at all. Then the scale to frame size would be good. But for maximum quality, just go into set to frame size. And now, once you are satisfied, you want to now proceed into export. And from here, you want to make sure that the video is exported in 4K, as you can see right here, and all the other specs or options are correct according to your needs. And then once you're done, is that you want to make sure that you have the right format preset, and then go into the file name, and then enable the video, audio, and other settings in here, and go now into export, and it should now be exported in 4K. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.